What's up, YouTube? Bobby Land coming at you with another video. Getting ready to take the Ferrari out, just go out and do some stuff. I got to make a run to Hobby Lobby and maybe down to, I might even go to Harbor Freight or Lowe's or something. I got to pick up some parts. Anyway, just gonna be running around. Gonna probably go meet up with my nephew. He's got a video that he needs to make about the oil change that y'all seen. I don't know if y'all seen that or not, but put a link to his channel down below. Anyway, guys, I gotta get this car cover off of the car here and put some heat in the engine, and then we'll just get this baby rolling. Hey, I'm gonna give you guys a cold start. And when I say cold, I mean cold. It's 27 degrees. So let me get y'all turned around here and get you sit down. I'll go from there, and then cold start coming up. Yeah, it goes right there and it stops. Come on now, ain't nobody got time for that. What the crap? I guess maybe I need to call them and have them come check this out. I don't know, we'll see. Let me do this. Guys, I made it here to Hobby Lobby. Found me a C8 that I parked beside just to make it interesting. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go in here and purchase these canvases and stuff for the printer, and we'll see you the rest of the video. Oh, all right, guys, so I got the canvases bought and the poster board and some other stuff. I'm gonna do some experimenting with my direct to everything printer later on this week. Anyway, guys, I'm headed over to my nephew's house now. We gotta go and make his video for his giveaway of his die-cast car and the t-shirt that he did on the Guess His Oil Change. All right, so I'll see y'all when I get there. Ooh, so I made it over here to Brian's house. I'm gonna get the event door out, and we're gonna go down here somewhere probably and film his video here in just a minute. Hey, I just remembered something, guys. Hold on. Oh, I got a York peppermint patty. I'll be right back after I eat this. Now I found a York peppermint patty in my pocket. And I got happy.
You're in love.
I'm in love, baby. Hold on. Go ahead and open that baby up. Oh God. Put some oil on that. And there she sits. There she sits. Guys, it's like 30 degrees now. It's warmed up just a little bit. And anyway, we're getting ready to take the cars out. Brian's getting ready to get his. Ooh, got that guy, dog it. She loud when she cold, baby. Shoot. Anyway, I'll park down there. I'm too scared to bring mine up this driveway. I don't know if my car will actually come up the driveway, so.
You ain't tried.
I ain't tried it. I might try it. I don't know. I'm too scared to. I'm too scared to.
You can raise yours up a lot more, so you should look good enough.
Yeah, but the back, I don't know. We'll see. One day, maybe. One day. Brian, you need me to do this?
Yeah, you sit in her.
Ooh, that was close. I mean, it was like tiny. Hey, I'm gonna turn around right here and I'll just follow you over there, okay?
Okay, we'll go there and then I gotta get gas after that.
Okay. Ooh, golly. All right, following Brian here down, getting ready to go make his video for him. This right here, this is fun stuff. This is what it's about. Strap man, I'm sorry you missed this, buddy, but maybe next time you're here, we'll hook you up. We got a couple more Ferraris and some other stuff too that we could have brought out, and a couple of guys that's got some Hennessy Mustangs and whatnot. What a beautiful day. I mean, beautiful day. It's cold, but it's beautiful. Following an SV. Whoa, I guess we're turning. This right here is what it's about, guys. I don't know if you can see the little kids hanging out the back window waving at us. We just got done revving our cars for them. But that right there, that's what these cars are about, guys. Sharing them with other people. Love it, love it. So Brian and I got a little separated. So I went ahead and pulled over right up here going towards his house, and gonna get him passing by me right here. This is gonna be pretty epic. Of course, this person's gonna run right up on his butt. Can y'all hear that all the way down the street? Like just I love it. I love it. Here goes my crossing guard buddy right here. All right, guys, so I got to go and help Brian get in the garage because he has trouble pulling his car in. Come on, let me get my key. Give me my key, please. There we go. All right, I'm going to run up his driveway real quick. Oh, my gosh. All right, let's see here. I'm going to go up here and help him. Ah! Hustle, 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 hustle. Hustle, 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 hustle. All right, take my sunglasses off where I can tell him what to do. Alrighty, put her to bed. So Brian's got a new toy here. We got this Insta360 one, and like there it is. We're gonna get some 360 footage coming in soon. I mean, I don't know, guys. We'll see. Hopefully my software can edit this. I've got some pretty old software that I use to edit this up with, but anyway, we're still trying to figure out how to connect to it right now. He's got to get some kind of app downloaded, it says, when it brought it up there on the screen for us, but we'll figure it out. See y'all. Got Brian's new 360. Do what? I was just doing my video. Go ahead. I'm doing a video of it leaving. Anyway, guys, I just finished up over here at Brian's. I got his 360 camera. Going to go home and hopefully I can edit it with my software. So we'll see. Get ready to fire the Ferrari up and take her to the house. So far, it's been a great day. Drove around with Brian for a little bit, made his video. I'm making this video for you guys. I'm on my way back to my house. I've got an issue I got to deal with when I get there. My garage door won't open or close now, so I don't know what's going on with that. So I had to figure that out and figure out, man, I'm sorry I'm bouncing around. This car is riding kind of rough right now. Anyway, figure that out when I get there, I guess. So of course I'll have you guys part of that and let you see what's going on, and then we'll probably end the video shortly after I get there, just because then I got to go in and edit so I can get it uploaded so you guys can watch what today's been like. And surprisingly, this has been like a 4-hour video. Actually, right now it's 4 hours on the dot, and to you guys it's probably only going to be a few minutes. It's crazy. I didn't film everything, but you know, it is what it is, and the power of video editing. Well, we made it here to the house. I had to manually raise the garage door with my hands because, well, it still isn't working. So put Brian's camera right here and put my keys right there, because I gotta plug the car up. It's gonna be a few days before I drive it again. I got some I don't know, we might have a cancer drive in the next couple of days. I don't know, guys. I'll have to let y'all know, but let me get down here and let y'all see. I don't even know if you can see or not. But got that plugged in. Anyway, got the car tender. There's a little tender down there. Anyway, pick Brian's camera up here and pick my keys up. Now, can we actually get the door to go down? Can we get the door to go down manually? Let's see. Yeah, nothing. Just, ooh. Go, baby, go. Please go. Go all the way. Come on now, you can do it. Yes! Success! Got the shop all locked up, closed up, the garage door shut by itself, thank the Lord. So guys, that's the end of today's video. And until next time, we look forward to you riding with us.